What's up guys, we're on to day 23 in the house and I got tile. So today we're gonna start some tile. I forgot my GoPro though, so I don't know how much filming I'm gonna do, but that's all right. I'll probably just get set up and maybe get like 1 or 2 walls done, we'll see. So I'll show you the tile we picked out, or I picked out, since Melissa was working and I just found this stuff on sale for really cheap. So I decided to pull the trigger on it. Sent her a picture of it and she really liked it, so that's cool. And then we just got subway tile for our backsplashes. So, but I'll show you the shower tile. It's gonna look pretty sweet. And then I'm gonna get set up and get started on this stuff. So yeah, here we go. So here's the wall tile. I gotta open these boxes, but it's pretty cool. It's got some tans and grays and whites through it, so kind of flows with our house. Got some other mixed stuff too, so yeah, should all look pretty good. So that's going on the walls in here. Yeah, I'll probably start on this back wall and this wall and then work my way this way and see how far we get. So should be fun.
Okay, babe, you gonna tell them what you're doing?
I'm doing tile. I'm pretending. I don't know what I'm doing. As usual.
Well, your pretending usually works, so...
Pretending usually works.
Mm-hmm.
Somehow.
It's a nice pencil in your butt.
Are you just looking at my butt?
Mm-hmm. Of course I am. Aww.
This tile needs help.
You're getting my shadow.
You like it?
I love it. Beep, beep. This is the worst video I think I've ever done. I must be tired.